Have you ever sat down to design a YouTube thumbnail or social media post thinking it'll take 5 minutes, and somehow hours later you're still fiddling with colors and rearranging things? This video is sponsored by Adobe Express, who have just added something that will change the way we design. It's called the AI Assistant, and it lets you edit with simple prompts. You can ask it to switch your whole color palette to match your brand, tweak images, or even add new elements just by describing them. It literally edits your design for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it step by step so you can start creating faster with more ease and have way more fun. Quick note, AI Assistant is currently in limited beta on Adobe Express Desktop. Premium users get early access and free users can try it for 30 days while space lasts. Click the link in the pinned comment to sign up. From Adobe Express, you can access AI Assistant from the home page. You'll see a toggle for the AI Assistant. Turn that on or off whenever you like, and you're good to go. So you can use it to start generating designs or edit existing images, all from the same starting point. So we're going to start with the design and search for a trusty YouTube thumbnail. And now I'm going to pick a design that I like and select Edit with AI Assistant. And now the fun begins. Describe what you want to change from here. Just make sure that the right element is selected. So if you want to change the background, click on the background. If you want to change the text, click the text, then start prompting. I'm going to type change the leaves in the background to be a Paris Fashion Week runway. Within seconds, I get a handful of really sleek options to choose from, and they honestly look really, really good. Next, I'm going to ask it to switch to a black and white color scheme to make it feel a little bit more elegant. It's instantly updated the whole vibe, the text, the elements, and everything is synced into a sleek, modern look. And you can keep editing manually if you want as well. Click on any element like this text, select Edit Text, and here all of the familiar Adobe Express tools are there. So you can change the color, the fonts, effects, and we've also got the layers that you can go in and edit as well. And if you want to bring in your own content and images, just hit the plus button here and upload your own image. Now I'm going to change my outfit by prompting the AI Assistant. I've told it to change my outfit to an elegant black ball gown dress. And boom, it updates the image. Then I layer on a tiara, some matching jewelry, and a glass of champagne in my hand. And of course, with Adobe Express, I can remove the background with one click. I'm going to go to Edit Image and remove background. Each layer builds on the last, and the edits stay surprisingly cohesive. And it even suggests new prompts based on what's already in your design here. And these change dynamically, and they're actually really useful. So is it worth trying? If you've ever felt stuck trying to change a design, or you spend way too many hours adjusting tiny details, this is your shortcut. In just a few clicks and prompts, I built an entirely new design, swapped scenes, changed outfits, and gave it a brand new vibe. It's not always perfect, but it's fun, fast, and honestly a little addictive. Curious with what else you can do with Adobe Express? Watch this next video. I'll walk you through more AI features that help you design faster and with less second guessing.